the door, the key for the door is not turning. And I tried graphite, WD-40, a couple other things, and it's still not turning. What I'm gonna do is swap out the garage door since it's keyed. Swap that out for this deadbolt temporarily until I can get the locksmith to look at it tomorrow. At this point. Because what we're gonna do is just take this lock here and put it on the front door, because I can close the garage and put just close this off right here. So I'm just gonna use my drill and take it out. So now we have functioning lock on the front. And this is just temporary until tomorrow to get that lock back on there. Take this to the locksmith and let him do the tumblers. I believe that's the issue. And so graphite won't fix it. They gotta pull this, disassemble it, put the tumbler in, unless they got the quick set key, but I'll let them do that and maybe they'll explain it for us.
This key needs to be what you call that?
Rekeyed.
Rekeyed. Okay. You first stick the original key in that works, and you turn it a quarter a turn. Now notice there's a hole on the side of the key.
Mm-hmm. Right there.
Right there. And this little tool will come with your cylinder. You stick it in. Make sure that it's all the way in. And you turn it back a quarter of a turn. And pull the old key out.
So now put the new key in?
Now put the key that you want to be set in.
Okay.
And when you release when you release this part, it's going to allow the tumblers to fall out to fit this key.
Okay, so now it's key for the new key.
For the new key. If
So
you take the old key
one
and try to unlock it with the old key don't work.
All right. So no matter what, you need the real key in order to rekey it anyway.
Right.
So it ain't like somebody come to your door and rekey it.
Right, exactly.
They gotta have.
Yeah, have the real key.
All right. Well, this Melvin with Dadgineering, and this is Ricky helping me out. I appreciate it. And that's how you rekey a lock. I went ahead and used the new back end, even though they're the same. I didn't want to take a chance with it. That's fine. Keep pushing on it. I didn't want to take a chance with it not fitting. Keep pushing on it, Reginald. I got my help here. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. There we go. Now let's check. Go on out. Check. Alright, let's lock the door. Alright, door locked. Let's unlock it. Alright. We just fixed the front door lock. So we need to put this lock back in on the garage door that I took off earlier yesterday, because I just had some tape there. So I got another helper, Jane, with me. Jane's gonna help me put it back on. Process is pretty much the same as the other one. There we go. Now that lock is back where it is. And my lovely wife, now she don't have to go to the back door or nothing crazy. Thanks for tuning in.
I don't even know if I was on there. Thanks, Jaden.